Deno 2 just dropped, and it might be the JavaScript revolution we've all been waiting for. Could this be the tool that finally replaces Node.js for good? Let's dive in and break it down. First things first, Deno 2 brings some serious improvements. When Deno was first released, it was touted as the better Node.js out-of-the-box TypeScript support. Yes, please. But the problem, it wasn't fully compatible with Node and NPM, which made developers hesitant to switch. But now, Deno 2 changes everything with full backwards compatibility. You heard me right, it now runs NPM packages like a champ. And that's not all. Deno 2 introduces a new standard library that's stable, powerful, and designed to cut down your reliance on third-party tools. Forget about installing utility libraries like Lodash or formatting tools like Prettier. Deno's standard library already does the heavy lifting. Plus, the permission system makes your code more secure by default. No more runaway scripts with unregulated access to your network or file system. But one of the coolest new features in Deno 2, the ability to compile your JavaScript or TypeScript into a single binary file that runs on Windows, macOS, or Linux. That's right, no runtime needed. You can ship your app as a standalone executable, turning JavaScript into a compiled language experience. This opens up so many new possibilities for developers who want more control over how their applications are distributed and run. Now, you might be asking, what's the catch? Well, Deno is still relatively new, and while it's great for modern development, it hasn't been as widely adopted in enterprise environments as Node.js. Node's got big names behind it. Think Google, Microsoft, and Netflix, while Deno is maintained by a smaller for-profit company. That might be a deal breaker for some, but the performance gains and built-in security features are hard to ignore. One more thing that could change the game, Deno has integrated the Jupyter Notebook experience. Now, JavaScript developers can run code block by block in interactive notebooks. This feature is huge for data scientists and educators who use JavaScript, but even for day-to-day developers, it could spark new ways to prototype and test code. So what does this all mean for you, the developer? If you're working on a brand new project, Deno 2 might just be the tool you need to speed up development, cut down on unnecessary packages, and give you more control. But if you're stuck with years of Node.js technical debt, Deno's new compatibility features make it easy to transition without breaking everything. You can use your existing NPM packages while slowly adopting Deno's unique features. It's clear Deno is no longer the underdog it once was. With full NPM support, a streamlined standard library, and the ability to compile your code, it's poised to make a serious mark on the JavaScript world. But will it replace Node.js completely? That's still up for debate, but if you're tired of bloated Node modules folders and want more security out of the box, Deno 2 is definitely worth a look. So, is Deno 2 the JavaScript revolution we've been waiting for? It's hard to say just yet, but it's certainly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with back-end JavaScript. As always, I'd love to hear what you think. Are you ready to switch, or are you sticking with Node for now? Drop a comment below and let's chat about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.